Deep inside this high-tech industrial system, massive heated rubber sheets are continuously shaped, compressed, and stabilized.
Utilizing advanced automation, the massive neon yellow textile is precisely cut by giant stainless steel blades, optimizing efficiency in the modern factory. Witness the future of textile manufacturing. Our high-speed conveyor system delivers unparalleled precision, trimming and shaping with flawless execution. Advanced laser-guided inspection systems continuously monitor the textile surface with extreme precision. Every movement.
Fully automated robotic systems organize and stack each textile layer with precision and speed.
Precision engineering at its finest. The X9000 series ensures perfect alignment every time, integrating textiles onto the spherical components. Utilizing precision robotics, the fuzzy textile is seamlessly bonded to the core, ensuring a flawless finish every time.
Precision robotic sealing systems assemble each tennis ball with perfectly aligned textile layers and high-pressure bonding technology.
Inside the precision chamber, stainless steel cylinders apply gentle pressure for final shape calibration.
The stabilization chamber utilizes precise hydraulic compression for final bonding and structural testing, ensuring unparalleled durability on the court. Our advanced polishing systems guarantee the perfect texture. This continuous loop ensures maximum efficiency and unparalleled quality.
The final stage of quality inspection. Here in the finishing tunnel, powerful air nozzles and soft polish.
Welcome to the future of manufacturing. Our synchronized conveyor lanes utilize advanced robotics to sort and package with unparalleled precision.